Hey, it's me, Tiffany. Welcome to my channel where I share all things pregnancy, postpartum, and motherhood related. I am a certified birth and postpartum doula, so that means that I support women and their families on their journey from conception to postpartum. If you haven't had a chance yet, please check out my website at www.nurturebytiff.com, where you can check out my doula services, you can check out my childbirth education courses, you can check out my blogs and my merch. So my mom was the one who actually told me about this story, and I decided to look into it and, watch a couple videos, do a little bit of research. And while this teacher got what I feel like she deserved, I actually feel bad for her. And I'm going to let you watch this clip and then come back and I'll talk about it.
I thought that was from yesterday.
Were you drinking up here yesterday? That's all I wanted.
New at 5, body cam video released showing the teacher who was allegedly drunk on the job. Kimberly Coates left Perkins Tryon Intermediate School in handcuffs last week after authorities say she blew a breathalyzer test that was 3 times over the legal driving limit. Coates admitted, they say, to drinking wine on her way to work that morning. The investigation is still ongoing.
So that was the story. And I don't agree with the fact that she felt like it was okay to come to work, especially around young children. Not to mention, she drove to work, so I'm not sure if she was intoxicated beforehand and she got to work, she kept drinking. I don't really know what the backstory is. I know she did a lot of lying, a lot of fumbling, a lot of trying to skirt around the truth or whatever the case may be for whatever reason. I don't agree with her coming to work and drinking while teaching. That is completely not acceptable. However, I do feel like this lady is absolutely going through some things, as we all are. I feel like a lot of us right now are struggling in a lot of areas, mentally, emotionally, some of us physically. I think that since, 2020, when the big P hit, a lot of us are dealing with a lot of anxiety. A lot of us are dealing with a lot of depression. And probably things that we were dealing with beforehand, but that kind of brought it to the forefront. And a lot of us we don't have the skills to properly cope. Okay. We want an instant fix. So we will, and not to take away from people who really do need help, okay? But sometimes I feel like there are other ways to cope with things, and I think that we've lost the ability to cope. We want a quick fix. We want happiness right now, this instant. I don't want to be sad. I don't want to deal with this. I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to take a pill. I'm going to drink a drink. I'm going to smoke some weed. I'm going to snort this line. I'm going to do this so I can escape. And we don't think about the consequences of whatever it is that we're doing. I'm curious as to why she was so afraid of calling her husband. I don't really know what's going on there. Maybe it's a conversation they've had before about her drinking and her, having those issues. I commend that officer because he did give her several opportunities to give him a phone number and do what she needed to do so she could go out of there with her dignity and not be embarrassed. And she chose not to do that. The school gave her the option to resign or be fired. And she didn't want to be embarrassed, and I get that. However, when you do certain things, you got to know that certain things can possibly or potentially come behind it. And you got to be prepared for that. And I honestly hope that this lady gets the help that she needs, because it's obvious that she does need some kind of help. She says she was in therapy. Not really sure if it's effective because she's drinking on the job. And I just hope she gets the help that she needs, because like I said, it's obvious that she's going through something. Something's not right. Like a lot of us are. A lot of us are struggling with a lot of things on a day-to-day basis. And I just hope she ends up okay. I hope she, is able to find treatment that really helps her and she's able to move forward with her life. It was sad to watch. It really was sad to watch, because a lot of us are in pain right now. A lot of us are dealing with a lot that people don't even know about. You know, a lot of us are suffering in silence. And for all of you that are, all of us that are, just know that you're not alone. You do have people that care about you, that love you and want the best for you. Prayers for healing for everyone, because it's hard right now for a lot of us. But I just want to get on here and share this with you. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.